Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Spec Tutorials. Today we're going to be learning how to use IFTTT, and the full form of IFTTT is if this, then that, and it is a free web-based service to create simple chains of conditional statements called applets. So basically it's creating if statements, and if an applet is triggered, so if the if statement is met, then it can trigger other services like Gmail, Facebook, Telegram, or Instagram. Sounds kind of complicated, but when you actually do it, it's not really complicated. So first we're going to head over to ifit.com, and then you can click continue with Google if it wants to work. Let's see, continue with Google, okay. And then we're going to select our Gmail, and it'll show your name. So I put 10 Spectrum 12345. Initially, when you start it up, it's going to take you to a web page similar to this. Maybe it'll change in the future, I don't know. And it's probably going to show an applet, right? And you can just ignore that applet or delete it. So first, you're going to click on New Applet. And then when you're in this web page, it says if this, then if this, then that. So that's basically what if it stands for. So we're going to click on this, and we're going to say weather. So we want it, so if the weather or the temperature drops below 45 degrees Fahrenheit, we want it to, let's see, we can choose from, like, there's like 100 of these services, but I'm gonna select, let's see, I'll come back when I select one. Okay, so I figured out what we're gonna select. We're gonna select email. So it's gonna send us an email when the weather drops below 45 degrees. So we're gonna click this again, and subject, it's getting colder, and then the body is gonna be this. So currently it's, so then whatever the temperature is and the condition outside. So for example, it might say it's sunny outside, and then it'll give us a forecast URL if we want more information. Perfect. So we're going to click create application or applet, and we're going to say finish. And then over here, we basically have it so that if it drops below 45 degrees Fahrenheit, then it'll send us an email at techspectrum12345@gmail.com. And so this is basically what an applet looks like. This is where you access the settings, where you can change the configuration. We're not going to do that because we're happy. Over here, it'll give you what app you're using. Over here, it'll give you a brief summary of what's going to happen. Here, it'll tell you who created it. So the reason why it has who created it, because you can use other people's applets. Oops, what happened? Okay, let's just continue. This switch turns it off and on, and it's getting kind of ugly over here. Okay, we can go back to applet. So I'll just show you here, and then over here it says works with mail, right? So it's telling you that it works with mail. I'm just gonna turn this on again, so I get an email when it's really cold. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.